5-star property with pools, private beach, full-service spa. Catch some rays on Concorde De Luxe Resort all-inclusive private sand beach, or spend the day relaxing at the full-service spa. Then enjoy a meal at one of the property's 8 restaurants. Concorde De Luxe Resort all-inclusive offers 401 air-conditioned accommodations with mini bars and safes. Rooms open to furnished balconies. LCD televisions come with premium satellite channels. Bathrooms include showers with rainfall showerheads, bathrobes, slippers, and complimentary toiletries. Guests can surf the web using the complimentary wireless internet access. Business-friendly amenities include desks and phones. Additionally, rooms include complimentary bottled water and hair dryers. Housekeeping is provided daily. A private beach and 2 outdoor tennis courts are featured at the property. 4 outdoor swimming pools are on site along with an indoor pool. In addition to a seasonal outdoor pool, other recreational amenities include a water slide, a sauna, a fitness center, and a children's pool. The recreational activities listed below are available either on site or nearby. Fees may apply. Carpe Diem Spa has massage treatment rooms and couples treatment rooms. Services include facials, body wraps, body scrubs, and body treatments. A variety of treatment therapies are provided, including aromatherapy, Ayurvedic, and hydrotherapy. The spa is equipped with a sauna, a spa tub, a steam room, and Turkish bath hammam. Guests under 16 years old are not allowed in the spa.